Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speed lesson, looking at lesson number 5, 10 words of the day. Today's words are as follow. Environment. Tikologo. 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 Technology. 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 Foundation. Motheo. 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 Distribution. Phatlalatsho. 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 Operate. Go sepetša. Go sepetša. Go sepetša. Go sepetša. Go sepetša. Effects. Ditlamorago. 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 Speed. Lebelo. 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 Damage. Tshenyo. 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 Reinforcement. Matlafatšo. 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 Energy. Matla. 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 Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.